and then we'll ask everyone to speak about how they are associated with the event, and then we can take questions from the floor. Just to talk about this event, I am myself Yogesh Mudras, representing Markets India as the organizers, and this is the fourth edition of VitaFoods. This is a show, end-to-end show for the nutraceutical industry, for considering the value chain from the raw materials and ingredients to the final combinations and the entire supply chain in terms of machinery, contract manufacturing, private label, everything is available on this floor. This industry is really picked up, especially after the pandemic period, what we have seen. This segment, currently the size of this market is about $9 billion, expected to grow by about 13% plus CAGR, going to $24 billion by 2032. In terms of India market, if we compare to the globe, we are just about 2% of the global market. So there's huge potential. We are very strong in the ingredients part, and we are now getting more and more into the formulations part of it, finished formulations. The entire focus of this event has been to how we upgrade India to that level where our formulations start getting more and more exported to the globe. This year, this is the largest VitaFoods event we are putting. Over 200 plus companies from India as well as international companies. We are present from over 40 countries over here, which are exhibiting over here. Over this next 3 days, there's lots going to happen. We have of course, a very high-level 3-day conference that is happening, which happened today. After that, we also having the innovation zone. We are having for the first time we are doing the leaders roundtable with NAC, which will happen as a part of this show. And of course, there are a few other features like the networking evening and the tasting zone. One thing which we have started is the tasting zone for the first time, where you can taste the innovative products which are there and try to see how they are actually useful for you as you consume them. So I think let me introduce the panelists who are joining the key. They are all the seasoned professionals from this industry. Sitting to my right is a guest of honor who joined us for inauguration, Ms. Pritee Chaudhary, who is IRS Regional Director at FSSAI West Region of Mumbai. Sitting next to him is Mr. Medekar, who is also representing FSSAI. We have Kaushik Desai representing HADSA, the Health and Dietary Supplement Association. We have Hitesh Patelji, who is also representing HADSA, which is again the HADSA Association, which is the Health and Dietary Supplement Association. And we have, of course, Mr. Sandeep from NI. Sandeep Gupta, who is knowledge partner for this leadership council that we are putting together. So I will pass the mic to each of the speakers, and then you can let the floor will be open for questions. So first, Ms. Chaudhary.
So thank you very much for organizing this important event. Actually, I say that we often talk about the Ganga Jamuna Sangam. Any exhibition in India is today bringing out the knowledge, hidden knowledge, the network that can be built, and bringing about the future prospects for industry, employment, and the growth of the country. So, in terms of all these small but important points, it is a very good platform where everything is coming together in the nation building's agenda that we are setting up for 2047 as a Vikasit Bharat. So this is an important step towards that. And when we talk about the nutraceutical industry, just 2% of the world, whereas when I compare it with the pharma industry, it should be 10 times to the pharma industry at least, because the nutraceuticals, in terms of nutraceuticals or be the health supplements, probiotic, prebiotic, and many more such things, it is our daily requirement, unlike the pharma industry. So the potential that we have right now itself is 10 times. And setting up this kind of events or bringing it to the next level by the round table or the workshop or through the panel discussion, I think the ideas gets bombarded. It gets more and more explored by every single entity, by every single mind, and the efforts are actually in the right direction. So good effort on the part of Pharma Marketing, and a very good show by in terms of Vita, the fourth edition of it. all, congratulations to you.
So medical.
I will not say anything more than my director has said, but all the best and congratulations for this grand success of VITAFOOD'S Informa. Hope it will go to the consumers also and food business people. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Once again, good morning to all of you. Although it's, I think, almost noon. Health Foods and Dietary Supplements Association is almost 20 years old organization in India, and that's the only association of dietary supplements. And we have been partnering with Informa markets, and from the time Vitafoods' inception in the India, and we have seen the growth, how it is moving. Starting with one pavilion to three pavilions now. And the way the innovations are getting in initiatives, I'll say. They have innovation platform, they have testing. That's the first time I think they have started this year, testing beverages on different nutritional benefits, and also the global trends. Because globally, I'll tell you, we have to yet to make a good footprint. As I said, North America and Europe are the leading dietary supplements market, but not behind. We are Asia Pacific is going very close to them. And we are growing much faster than global scenario. We are growing almost the rate of 15 to 17% CAGR compared to the 7 to 8% growth globally. So we have potential to grow. And this is a platform, Vitafoods, which brings all stakeholders on a common platform. You see here too, we have regulators, we have industry, we have associations, and the organizers who brings everybody together on same platform and share thoughts, exchange best practices, and see that how consumer benefits, how India benefits, and how we can grow as a team together. That's what we are looking at it. Thank you.
So Patel.
So first of all, good morning, and I must appreciate Informa and the entire team, Yogesh Bhai and the Rahul Deshpande and everyone. I am not only representing Hadsa, but I am also from the industry. We are one of the manufacturer of the botanical ingredients under the name of the K. Patel phytoextractions. We are in this industry from last 21 years and witnessing the growth of the Indian country as well as the global market. When Vitafoods started 4 years ago, that time we were thinking why they are starting in India. Because Vitafoods were there in Europe as well as in the Asian countries. Then it makes a difference? We were always discussing, because as an industrial player, we always think about the money. And we see that we are investing in Europe, we invest in the Asian countries. Why again in India? So now we can realize that, because that time it was a very small show, and of course we were right from the beginning, we were with the Vitafoods. And slowly it has grown very well. I am one of the witness for that, and it is reached up to such a level where you can say it is not less than any international standard. So I must congratulate for this effort to the entire team. Vitafoods have brought all the industrial players, like-minded people on this one platform where they can share about the innovation. See, to grow any segment, the innovation is the heart of it. So all the like-minded people can come together, they can discuss about what's going next and how to innovate the things. So they can decide their strategy on the companies individually as well as together, and they can drive, they can grow the industry. Apart from that, they can build the manufacturing capabilities, meeting to the global standards, as well as the new product innovation and the what coming next as a curing side or the sustainability side, that all the aspects they can discuss during this platform. So I would say that this is the one platform which is very important, developed by the Informa, and it will really help to grow the industry, as he has mentioned that by 2030 we'll have the multiple billion-dollar growth in the industry. So this will be one of the platform which will really play a very vital role to increase industry. Apart from that, I would like to thank to Miss Pritee Madam that she's always and always on these nutraceutical seminars or the exhibitions. She takes out her time and giving all their views and the contributing to help the industry wherever they need any help. She is always there. So I must say that government is also aligning with the industry, because industry cannot do anything separately. They need the support from the government. So government is always there to support the industry. And as she mentioned about the Viksit Bharat, and they mean for that. So I must congratulate and thanks for that also. Going forward, I would like to say that the Indian industry is growing very fast because of the lifestyle disease and the lifestyle habits. Nutraceutical is the important for every human being, as well as if you now have heard or the read article about the animals, as well as the you can say cattle, dogs, and everyone, they also require the nutraceuticals. So every day it is growing now. Now, what we have to do is that how to make this more mature in terms of all the product have to be efficacious. So we have to work towards that, and industry is already working on that, as well as industries aligning with the global regulatories, meeting to all the norms for the European market, American market, and Japanese market, and they are building their facilities which can provide all these international standard products. So in terms, we are growing our internal market as well as the international market. So whenever the, suppose say America is growing in tenfold, then we will be one of the beneficiary of it. So we will also grow according to that. Even with the European norms, now companies have sincerely started thinking that how to meet all these norms. So evidence-based nutraceuticals people have started, they started doing the clinical trials, and all the ingredients what they use, they are also using the clinically based branded ingredient in that, where it will be more efficacious to the particular requirement. So our industry, Indian industry, is getting very mature, and I would say that we will have a very fast growth. Whatever we are projecting, I think so it will be far better than that. So that is what I would like to say, and once again thank you very much, and we look forward to your continuous efforts, and we all industries are with you. Wherever you need our support, we are there. Thank you so much.
Thank you for this opportunity. Yes, we have one more speaker from this year. So,
Hi.
Mr. Gupta.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone, especially the friends from media and the dignitaries on the dais. And just to tell you that this is something a very brilliant. Informa Market has brought Vitafoods as a brilliant platform across the globe, and this was pending for many years. And last 4 years, we are witnessing this. This is a very excellent program where knowledge, experiences, expertise, the wisdom and intellectuals of various sections of the nutraceutical sectors are coming on one platform. Especially when you see this, the exhibitors are coming here. The beauty of this exhibition is, what all things happen is basically they showcase what kind of a quality products they are manufacturing at their manufacturing facilities, where the buyers, the marketers, where how we produce the products is showcased, what kind of a quality of the product is showcased. And this is something is not only for the India market, it's for the global market. As we know, Dr. Pritee Chaudhary mentioned about we are just at the 2% of the global economy when it comes to this sector. I would say it is 1/10 of the Thailand market. Now, India has to still go a far distance, and I would say thanks to Vitafoods of India team, especially Yogesh ji, the Rahul Deshpande ji, all this team, they have done a brilliant work to bring Vitafoods India as a chapter, which is the most important thing, which India can see the light of the global, not only in India market but also the global market. I am basically Sandeep Gupta, who comes as a chief founder and the director of this, the association, which is Expert Nutraceutical Advocacy Council. Our premise of this council itself is education, awareness, engagement network, and our objective is as much as possible to collaborate with industries, associations, governments, academics, and especially forums like this, where at one place on this platform, various facets of the industries can be met with each other face to face. We interact with each other, we exchanges, and the most important thing, there are a lot of new products are explored, new ingredients are explored, new formulators are explored, and the best of the best licensing deals, the best of the, I would say that even today when the startups is growing so fast in a country like India, this is a platform for even for the startups to come and see what is available the best in the Indian ecosystem, so they don't look outside India. So there's so much of natural substances, natural ingredients, phyto extracts, those natural extract which is available is so vastly been used globally now. It's all exported from India, and we have lots of the manufacturers who are doing an innovation. They are producing, they are cultivating in the home ground, and they are distributing across the globe, which is a very proudful moment for India to take it. And I think Vitafoods is doing justice to such objective, not such premise and the ambition of the country. So I would say this is a 3 days an excellent forum, and we are also going to have a very special maiden feature, first ever roundtable conference in the entire nutraceutical sector, because this is something which is going to bring all the stalwarts, the CEOs, the best of best brains, as well as the industry leaders together to discuss the opportunities, challenges, and what all things can be actually brought in future as a resolution. Because today when we are operating in industries, there are a number of challenges, and Dr. Pritee Chaudhary is from the representative of an FSSAI. We represent an industry associations, the various forums. We represent academics. We see a huge opportunity to basically to collaborate. This platform gives an opportunity to collaborate together. It's I would say a very solid think tank which can build India growth story, and that is something which we see that India is rapidly growing, and this is something a gold mine industry, I would say, ever flourishing, ever growing, and it's going to be rapidly growing industry. And we all look forward to this 3 days, which is going to enrich all of us with multiple aspects of opportunity in this industry. It's going to be a length and breadth. I would say it's a 360-degree opportunity. I would say it's from bench to bedside opportunity for an industry to look at it. The visitors, there are more than 10,000 visitors we are seeing every year. It's growing, and I see in coming times the future, it's not about only 200 exhibitors here or 40 countries. We would say this will reach, because India is a hub of manufacturing for the global markets, and we have more than 5,000 manufacturing units. I would say out of which I would say 50% of, I would say 90% still not come to the forum. So it's a good initiative by an informer, a Vitafood team, who is taking such initiatives, growing year by year, and we see that this is going to just multiply, and it's going to go fourfolds in the coming year. And we see a strong prospects for the industry's growth and expansion in the coming times. Thank you so much.